Hi everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are solving reverse linked list. So in the input we are given head of a singly linked list and we have to return the same linked list after reversing it. So for this we'll be using temporary variables. Okay. So first of all I'll create two variables, previous and next. So initially both of them will point to none and a current variable which will store the head, which will current to head, I mean current element which we are processing. So while current, I mean while there are elements in linked list, we can even write while current is not null, but this does the same job. Okay. So now we will store current the next of current element in the next, and the next of current will store obviously the previous element. Similarly, now that previous is free, we will store current in the previous and next inside the what current element. So you can see number which was next to the current got stored in the next, and previous element got stored to current dot next, because since we are reversing it, the next element should become the previous element. That is what we are doing, and current, which is the head now, becomes the previous. Similarly, the current element become the previous element as we move ahead, and now current will store the next. Understand? Suppose we are at 2, current is at 2. Now, now what we'll do, next will point to 1 after reversing. Next will point to 1 and previous will point to 3. Cool. Now, after we have reached the entire linked list elements, then we just need to do one thing. We'll store, okay, we'll store previous. Now previous, which is next now, will store will which will get stored in the head, and nothing else, nothing more. We'll just return our head, and this will do our job. Let me submit it for you. And yeah, it does the job. It does the job in pretty good time. And see, earlier I was able to solve in 88 millisecond, but this time this code got solved in less than 40% time. And memory is somewhat same, since we are using a lot of temporary variables, but the time complexity is pretty fast. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.